Hey everybody! Today I am very excited to show you a hack I just came up with using our macros and automating a process within another tool called Zapier, where we take technical release notes from our GitHub projects and turn them into sales enablement collateral that can help make sure everybody understands the changes that are being made within your code and projects, and especially how that will impact customers, and also give our sales team some coaching on how they might be able to explain the value proposition of these features that get released into the wild. And so with that, I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to open up the Zapier platform. Awesome. Just going to name our little Zap automation. Let's see. Yeah, technical release notes to sales enablement collateral. Oh gosh, okay. All right. So now I'm going to pick my trigger, and that first is going to be in GitHub. We're going to look for new releases. I'm going to pick my account. I'm going to keep continuing down the line here. I'm going to pick my project. I've actually been working on building a small little sample project on top of the ThoughtfulGPT API. It's called Guppy. And for this process, I want to take those release notes and process the content with one of our macros. And so I'm going to hook up my account. I'm going to paste in some context here, a little bit of instructions, gather in the context from GitHub. So in this case, I want the name of the release notes, the whole body of the release notes, as well as the date. I'm going to pick my language model, and I also have our brainstorm macro enabled by default. And this is one of our more simple macros where it's just text only. There's nothing complicated happening behind the scenes, except for Zapier is helping us pull in some of that context from the GitHub releases. And so you can see we sent a test here to our ThoughtfulGPT engine. Everything looks pretty solid. And now I'm going to go ahead and hook up those results and output into our Slack channel, where we get updates from all of our bots. And so I'm going to pick the marketing channel. I'm going to pull in the output of the ThoughtfulGPT macro. I'm actually going to give this bot a name so that people know a little bit of what to pay attention to. Add an icon, which is the megaphone. And as you can see here, it looks like everything seems to be in order. So now the last step is just to check that this made it into our Slack instance, and voila, there it is. We got super crisp, highly readable release notes that anyone on the team can understand, and this helps keep everybody in the loop in terms of what changes are happening. With that, hope this inspired some interesting ideas. If you have any, send them our way, and hope you have a great day. Thanks.